Hello. Hi. What is your name? My name is Ollie. What are you doing? I am reading a book. What do you want? I want tea. What is this? This is my pen. What time is it? It's 10 o'clock. What do you like? I like music. What is your job? I am a student. What happened? An accident happened. What do you need? I need help. What are you watching? I am watching TV. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is rice. What did you eat today? I ate eggs. What do you study? I study English. What is your plan? My plan is to travel. What are you looking for? I am looking for my phone. What is the problem? The internet is slow. What do you think? I think it's good. What makes you happy? My family makes me happy. What should I do? You should wait. What is your dream? My dream is to be rich. What is your age? I am 20 years old. What is your hobby? My hobby is reading. What do you do in free time? I watch movies. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. What is your phone number? It's 078XXXX. What did he say? He said hello. What do they want? They want food. What is your goal? My goal is success. What is going on? Nothing special. What are you afraid of? I am afraid of dogs. What did you buy? I bought shoes. What do you want to learn? I want to learn English. What is your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Titanic. What are you listening to? I am listening to music. What is the matter? I feel sick. What did she tell you? She told me the truth. What do you remember? I remember my childhood. What makes you angry? Lies make me angry. What is your country? My country is Afghanistan. What do you do for work? I work in an office. What are we going to do now? We will eat lunch. What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. What is your opinion? My opinion is positive. What did they do yesterday? They played football. What do you usually eat? I usually eat rice. What is your address? I live in Kabul. What is in the bag? There are books. What do you prefer? I prefer tea. What is the price? The price is 100 Afghanis. What do you believe in? I believe in hard work. What should we buy? We should buy fruit. What did you learn today? I learned grammar. What are you waiting for? I am waiting for my friend. What is your weakness? My weakness is fear. What is your strength? My strength is patience. What do you hate? I hate noise. What do you love? I love my parents. What is your favorite place? My favorite place is home. What do you want to eat? I want to eat pizza. What did you see? I saw an accident. What makes you tired? Hard work makes me tired. What do you hear? I hear music. What is your problem today? I am very busy. What do you want to say? I want to say thanks. What is your teacher's name? His name is Ahmad. What is your favorite game? My favorite game is cricket. What did you forget? I forgot my keys. What do you need now? I need rest. What is your wish? My wish is peace. What do you do at night? I sleep early. What is your favorite drink? My favorite drink is tea. What do you want from me? I want help. What is your problem with him? He lies a lot. What do you plan to do? I plan to study. What did you hear yesterday? I heard good news. What is your biggest fear? My biggest fear is failure. What makes you proud? Success makes me proud. What do you do after school? I go home. What is your favorite day? My favorite day is Friday. What do you think about this? I think it's useful. What do you want to become? I want to be a teacher. What did you lose? I lost my wallet. What do you carry in your bag? I carry books. What is your favorite song? My favorite song is romantic. What do you do in the morning? I wake up early. What do you need to improve? I need to improve English. What is your advice? My advice is work hard. What did you break? I broke the glass. What makes you laugh? Jokes make me laugh. What do you want to change? I want to change my life. What is your biggest dream? My biggest dream is success. What do you miss? I miss my family. What do you enjoy? I enjoy learning. What is your favorite teacher? My favorite teacher is Mr. Ali. What do you want to ask? I want to ask a question. What did you fix? I fixed my phone. What do you usually wear? I wear simple clothes. What makes life beautiful? Love makes life beautiful. What do you want most? I want peace. What is important in life? Family is important.